All right. So we're going to be walking you through how to set up PostgreSQL on your device. And by the time you're getting this video, you should have probably gotten the link to set up the software, all right, on your device. So once you get the link, you should be led to a page like this, all right? And right here on this page, depending on the device you're using MySQL, using Mac OS, right? You can use this. Using Windows, right? You can use this. So depending on which, you can click on it. By the time you've clicked on it, click on this arrow here, you would it will start downloading. All right, you get it's downloading. The installer would already begin downloading by that time. All right. So once that is done, you can then go to your screen or to the place where you have it downloaded. In my case, I'll share my entire screen. So in my case, I have it downloaded somewhere in my downloader, or my downloads rather. So somewhere here, I'll double click it. I'll double click on it and wait for it to respond and to get installed. Okay. All right. It's taking a bit of time. Okay, so then we click on that. Yes. And I'm clicking yes. We wait a bit. PostgreSQL. Okay. Beautiful. So, all right. Okay. So we have this displayed for us, the setup wizard. And then you click on next. This is the place, the directory on your device where it will be installed. So you can change that if you want to. And you can do that by clicking here and determining where exactly you would want that to be. But I'm okay with having it here within my programs files. So I'll click on next. All of these have to be ticked because they are very critical for our interacting with the platform. So we'll click on next. So the data where all of your data will be stored is also on your device is what this speaks to. Also within the same place. In my case, if you want to change it, same thing. Put it there and determine where exactly on your device you would have that. So for us, we'll go next. So you can put in a password. This to safeguard your data, right? So we go on to the next, retype it, same thing. Okay. And then we click on next. So this is the port that the server would have to listen on. We want to leave it that way, and we go on to next. For this, you have to select the locale to be used by the new database cluster. So for us, we're sticking to, you can stick to default if you want, or depending on the language you are looking at, all right? But I think I would like to specify English. Okay, you can notice several others, okay? I like to specify English, just English as it is, nothing more, nothing less. So we click on next. And so the following are all of the things that will be installed. rather that will be used for the installation. So we'll go on. Setup is now ready to begin installing. So we click on next and wait for a bit to have this fully installed. And once it's done, we'll come back and we'll continue from here. And so this is what it will look like once it's fully installed and set up. All right. So next you click on that, finish. Okay. We'll cancel this. So yes, we don't want to, yes, we want to close that. We want to set that wizard up. So we type in PG, go to your device, type in PG admin. And you should have that set up. Whilst mine is taking a bit of time, I think we could just scroll down here. Okay. Okay, so Postgres PG admin 4, you can click on that and have that come up. All right. It's coming up here. So expand the window. It's telling us that it's a more recent version, but sticking to this, and then we click on this, and you notice immediately you have to put in that password that you originally put when we were setting the whole thing up, which is the more reason you have to right, have that set up. So this is typically what the Postgres admin dashboard looks like. And so it shows that we're ready and good to go. All right. So this brings us to the end of the this session on the installation.